pastoral epistles are those three Pauline letters, 1 Timothy, 2 Timothy, and Titus. They're often grouped together and have been called pastoral letters at least since 1726, when Paul Anton dubbed them such. We have learned in this textbook that all of Paul's letters are pastoral. They're all occasional. So it's a fair question, why are these in particular called pastoral? The answer is they're called pastoral because they're dealing with issues pertaining to the organization of the church, and then offering instruction to Timothy, stationed in Ephesus, and Titus, located in Crete, regarding the church's life. They're similar in then that they have directions offered to Timothy and Titus by Paul, a senior minister of sorts, who has taken these comparatively junior ministers under his aged apostolic wing. We find that Timothy was one of Paul's right-hand men in the midst of his ministry. Timothy influenced Paul's ministry in Thessalonica, in Corinth, and especially in Philippi. We find that Titus was present with Paul at the Jerusalem conference, and he was vital in the Jerusalem collection. And Titus was also involved in helping Paul in his ministry in Corinth. So these junior associates now are given instructions from Paul. But even then, of the three letters, one of these things is not like the other. 1 Timothy and Titus are focused more upon the church's organization and instructions regarding how Timothy and Titus should minister in their midst, whereas 2 Timothy is something of a last will and testament, where Paul turns his attention to Timothy in light of the fact that he is about to pass off the scene. And as 2 Timothy concludes, Paul says that I have fought the good fight, I've kept the faith, I've finished the course. And it's almost now as if though Paul is handing the baton off to Timothy, and he is to run until he finishes the course. So taken together, these letters offer instruction to junior ministers who are going to be responsible for receiving and carrying the faith into the next generation of mission and ministry.